Hello dear students, welcome back to PM Academy. Today's topic is JEE Main Entrance Exam. Dear students, as you are 11th or the 12th science, you must have desire, aspirations to become an engineer or to be a pass out from the IIT or NIT. So it is everyone's desire. Now dear students, immediately after 10th pass out, all desperately search college and also coaching classes because they give more emphasis on the coaching than the regular colleges. Because some of the coaching institutes are there in India, they are well trained, they train the students very scientifically, very exam oriented ways. But college exam generally all over India, whether it is board by the Odisha, by Gujarat, by MP, by UP, or by Maharashtra, they have the different type of the syllabus, different ways of conducting of the exam. So far the JEE Main is concerned, it is single way system conducted by Government of India, controlled by the Government of India, held all over India, single pattern. So students are trained all over India by the coaching institutes uniformly. There is no variations from the one state to other. So, but the textbooks of the state boards vary from the one to other. But the syllabus of the JEE Main conducted by the Government of India is the same. Now the question arises, immediately students jump or the take admission into the coaching classes and the colleges. But many of the coaching classes, dear students, they immediately start chapter wise. Instead of giving scientific analysis how to crack the exam, they immediately start the topics. They simply give the descriptions of the physics, chemistry, maths or bio, zoology or the botany for the NEET students. Then immediately they start also topics and they test the periodical tests. But that is stereotyped method, dear students. But very important is how to crack the exam. Because you see, most of the cases, even that the low performer students like the 60%, 70% score students, they score better than the 90-95% students. Why? The reason is that actually they prepare scientifically, they prepare as per the exam patterns, they trained according to the ways the exam is conducted. Here what happens actually, most of the coaching classes, I am not blaming all, some of the coaching classes are the well trained, lot of the students pass out from them, they qualify, they enter into the IIT and many government colleges as the BTech, as a BArch. But the thing is that, dear students, it is not possible in all cases, all coaching classes. Many are there in the rural areas, semi-urban areas, or small towns, small cities, less trained. Qualified professors are there, but they are eligible for teaching in the colleges, but not eligible in the coaching classes or to teach to the JEE Main entrance point of view. In this case, dear students, so I want to give you the briefings about details how you have to crack the exam, means actually to know about the background of the JEE Main exams. That is my the objective. So JEE Main is different from the CET. CET is conducted by the common entrance test conducted by the deemed university, private universities, state universities and also by different state governments. But JEE Main by the Government of India. So a controlling authority is there to conduct the exam. So it is conducted by means actual JEE exam is all over India. So there is no, that is completely different from the CET. It has its own syllabus. Now dear students, once the student, now the question arises, how many students? Around 12 to 13 or around 12 to 15 lakh students, they drop application from the JEE Main all over India. and half of the students, around 4 to 4 lakh students, 4 to 5 lakh students, they take the exam very casually. Serious students you will find around the 6 lakh students. Out of that, 2.5 lakhs, 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh students, they become eligible for the JEE Advance. In this case, what happens? The vacancies or the seats of the IITs are the less. Though there is 21 IITs, or you can say 31 NITs, triple IITs, but still then the seats are around 25,000 altogether. So in this case, out of 2.5 lakhs to, where the ratio of the seat is only 25,000, so there is a high competitions. So already the students have cracked the JEE mains. Then after that actual JEE main, then they are going to face the JEE Advance. So all are the talented, no doubt at all. But those students are scientifically preparing, so they can be the eligible for this the exam, or they can get a seat. They can take the admission in the IITs or the NITs. Even some of the students, those are not getting the seats in the NITs or the IITs, so they prefer to the government colleges or go to the private universities, but good universities like the MIT or other universities or the KIT University. So in this way, the JEE main exam is held all over the India, and the student have to get the first-hand informations that how many students are appearing, how many students are the serious for this the exams, what is the selections ratio, how to enter into the IITs. Then in the IIT also, when the centralized counseling is done, some of the seats remain vacant. Why? Because some of the less stream, some of the streams are there which are not demandable. Students don't want to go for that stream. So at last you will find that some of the streams remain vacant. But student, instead of joining in the IIT, they prefer to go to the government colleges or the other universities. In this way, dear students, when you are in the 11th or in the 12th, already those are in the 12th, they will be the means up to 90% preparation will be the done. But those are in the 11th, they have to keep in mind that actually these are the facts and the figures so far the JEE main exams. So before preparations of the JEE main exams, you have to know the background of it. So dear students, in the next lecture, I will give other things relating to the JEE main. So it is my humble advice to you, humble say to you, that actually to like my channel, to subscribe my channel, and give a comment, give your the opinions, both comments, positive and the negative, I welcome all. So if you have some of the questions, you can give the questions in my comment box. I can reply you. This is for today, dear student. Thank you very much.